Procon Controls. Incepted in the year 1989, Procon Controls has grown to become one of India's leading manufacturers in industrial transformers and chokes. These transformers, made to meet design requirements like overload capacity, voltage regulation, high performance, and long functional life, have been widely used in areas like textile machineries, avionic ground, UPS, and naval electrical equipments. Consistent performance and quality output has helped Procon Controls to form large client base across the globe. With clients from Middle East, Europe, Russia, Asia Pacific, Procon Controls' unstinted support of professionals, design team, and manufacturing unit have helped to deliver products on time. With the support of advanced technology, effective design, and continual improvising capabilities, we have fabricated high-quality transformers and chokes that cater to the needs of several OEMs and MNCs. These transformers are made using optimum quality electrical steel lamination, copper wires, and terminal blocks. The design requirements gathered from customers, market research team, sales team, maintenance engineers, manufacturing team are used to ideate new products using a cross-functional team. Tools like FMEA, control plans are used in brainstorming sessions to create new ideas. These designs are used to build prototypes which are tested with quality parameters in compliance with EN 61558 standards. Once approved by stringent internal quality and client audit team, these designs move on to production phase. Our design team works closely with the manufacturing unit to make sure that the designs are compatible with production line techniques such as 5S, COQ, Lean and Six Sigma. Being an ISO 9001 BV certified company, we maintain quality at each stage of production process. A voluminous warehouse has been built to store the finished goods and protect it from heat, water, and other harmful elements. Our production strategy is aligned with just-in-time techniques to reduce in-process inventory and associated carrying costs. The unit is segregated into various divisions and the storage is systematic, which helps in fast and quick retrieval of products. Products are packed using materials like paper corrugated, polyurethane buffer, plywood, MS steel frames. Our warehouse storage and packaging techniques combined with wide network of transportation facilities ensures that our quality products reach the customer's place with highest quality, least possible time at the best possible pricing. Creating value to our customers has been at the core of Procon Controls.